Hi guys, welcome back to How to Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to log out of Gmail on iPhone. Let's start. We'll be logging out first on our Mail app on our iPhone. To do that, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down to the bottom and open Apps option. Now, scroll down and find the Mail app and then open it. Next, tap Mail Accounts. Tap the Gmail account that you wish to log out. In here, simply tap the Delete account, then confirm it by tapping the Delete account again on the pop-up. It will delete your account on your iPhone, which is the same as logging it out. Now, if you wish to log out using your Gmail account, then do this. Open the Gmail app. Next, tap your profile icon at the top right corner. Next, tap Manage Account on this device at the bottom. Now look for the Gmail account that you wish to log out, and then tap this Remove from this device option below it. Now, confirm it by tapping Remove button in the pop-up. That's basically how you do it. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, drop them below. Thank you so much!